This is a real business most people don't know exists. My friend works in accounts receivable and was complaining about chasing clients for money. Frustrated, exhausted. That's when I realized this is an entire business model nobody talks about. Collections agencies solve this problem, but most are disorganized, manual, and slow. What if you built one systematically from day one with professional processes from the start? Here's the real opportunity nobody's teaching about. Every company has slow-paying clients. Every single company across every industry. And every single company needs someone to collect that money. Most hire a traditional collections agency, slow, expensive, and manual. Or they don't collect at all and lose thousands. That's your gap. You solve this problem. You become valuable. More than valuable, you become essential to their business. But here's what makes this work, and why most people will fail without it. AI automation. Traditional agencies do collections manually, email by email, call by call, update by update, reactive instead of proactive. We use automation at every single step. Debtor triggers, automatic emails, escalation rules, systematic follow-ups, faster response, higher collection rates, better results for clients. That's not just better. That's the edge that actually matters in a competitive market. Let me show you exactly how to build this professionally from day one. This is the complete framework you need to launch under $1,000 and start collecting money within 30 days. I'm going to break down all 5 systems and how they work together. System 1 is Professional Client Onboarding. Your network is your first revenue engine. Most people know this, but don't have a system for converting it. The system is simple but powerful. Discovery call, proposal, agreement, intake, portal access. 5 steps. Takes 1 week. Client is professional from day 1. In the discovery call, you're doing 3 critical things. First, you understand their collection problem. How much do they want collected? How long have these accounts been overdue? Why haven't they tried collecting before? Second, you listen and take notes because this builds trust. Third, you're determining if they're a good fit. Not all prospects are worth your time. Some might have legal issues or fraud involved. You screen them. Then you create a proposal. Here's your process. Here's your timeline. Here's how much you'll charge. This matters because most clients have never worked with a collections agency. They don't know what to expect. Your proposal educates them and sets expectations. It builds confidence before you even start working. They know exactly what they're getting. Professional agreement sets clear terms. What's your fee structure? What's your success metric? What happens if they decide to stop working with you? What's your timeline? These aren't just legal formalities, they're trust builders. When clients see you're professional from the start, they know they're working with a real business, not someone winging it. This protects both of you. Client intake gets all their account details organized in one place. Company name, key contact, phone, email, accounts to collect, amounts owed, how long overdue, current status, everything. This is where your system starts to shine. You're not scrambling through emails trying to find information. It's all there, organized, professional, ready to work. Portal access means they log in to collect and see everything in real time. They see which accounts you're working, what status each one is in, full communication history, payment progress. This is the moment they realize this person is serious about this. This is the onboarding system that separates professionals from amateurs. It works because it's professional, not because it's cheap. System 2 is CRM Automation with HubSpot. HubSpot free tier automates everything. Triggered emails, scheduled follow-ups, escalation rules. All happening while you sleep. This is where your competitive edge starts multiplying and working for you automatically.
Here's how it actually works in practice. Every debtor interaction gets logged in HubSpot. Called a debtor and left a voicemail? Logged. Sent an email offering a settlement? Logged. Got a payment? Logged. Then automatic workflows fire based on what happened. This isn't manual, it's systematic.
If a debtor hasn't responded in 5 days, HubSpot automatically sends a follow-up email. If an account stalls for 10 days, it escalates to your needs attention list automatically. If a payment comes in, it flags it for client notification. You're not managing 50 individual conversations. The system is managing them for you. You're managing the system. Result: 10 hours per week of manual work eliminated. You're not manually tracking 50 emails or wondering who you called last week. The system tracks everything. You manage the system. You spend time on client relationships and strategy, not busy work. You're leveraging technology instead of being a slave to it. System 3 is Professional Collections, tracking with Collect Portal. Clients expect a portal. This is standard now in professional services. Real-time tracking, debtor information, payment progress, communication history. Client sees you working. Client trusts you. Client's collection rate goes up significantly because they see progress. This is the psychology that matters. Transparency builds trust. Traditional agency. Client calls asking, "Did anything happen with my account?" You dig through emails to remember. You're scrambling. Client is frustrated. You look unprofessional. Professional agency. Client logs portal. Sees everything. Sees debtors called. Sees offers negotiated. Sees progress happening every day. Client is impressed. Client is confident. Client might send you more accounts from their network. $699 per month. Worth every penny on first client because that first client paying you $7,500 in commission sees everything. They trust you. They become a repeat client. They send you more accounts. That's your scaling path. One client leads to multiple. System 4 is Professional Accounting with QuickBooks. QuickBooks is $30 to $50 per month. Affordable, professional. Track your revenue, track your costs, know your profit. This matters because you're building a real business, not a hobby. This isn't complicated. You invoice the client for commission. Client pays you. You record it in QuickBooks. How much did you collect this month? How much did it cost to operate? What's your profit? Professional business owners know these numbers because these numbers tell you if you're actually building a real business or just trading time for dollars. System 5 is Documented Processes, SOPs, Repeatable Excellence, Scalable Operations, Competitive Protection. This is the hardest thing for most people to do, but it's the most important thing you can do for your business.
Without SOPs, every collection is different. You do it one way, your future partner does it another way, your new hire does it another way. Inconsistency means mistakes. Mistakes mean lost money. With SOPs, every collection follows the same process. Same steps, same results. Same excellence every time.
That's repeatable. That's scalable. That's protection. When you document your process, you own it. You can hire, delegate, scale, because the system is protected in writing. No more, "How does this work?" Everyone follows the SOP. New hire? They follow the SOP. Partner joining? They follow the SOP. You're not explaining things over and over. You're just handing them the playbook. Here's the power. These systems work together as one integrated unit. Network onboarding feeds into CRM. CRM Automation feeds into Collect Portal, Collect. Tracks what QuickBooks records. SOPs ensure every step is consistent. One professional system. Multiple components. Maximum results. You're not just building a collection business, you're building a system that works without you personally doing every task. That's scalability. That's the business model that actually works. Here's the real timeline. If your state doesn't require licensing, 5 to 7 days to fully operational. If your state requires license like Florida, 30 days processing time maximum. First month cost, approximately $2,500 for all systems combined. That's LLC formation, banking, software, everything. First client pays for everything. You break even month 1. That's the business model. You launch from your network. You prove it works with real results. Then you scale from there with confidence. Month 2, you land a second client from your network. Month 3, you land a third. By month 6, you have multiple clients. This is a real business most people don't know exists. The free checklist walks you through all 5 systems step by step. The full course teaches you how to build this complete framework from scratch with confidence and clarity. Download the checklist. Go through each step. Launch in 5 to 30 days. You've got everything you need. The question is, are you going to build it?